You searched for how to buy shares of 6th Street Specialty Lending, Inc. 6th Street Specialty Lending, Inc. is a business development company providing specialty lending to middle-market firms, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TSLX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TSLX to locate the listing for 6th Street Specialty Lending, Inc. Select the result that clearly matches the company name and ticker. On the asset page, check the company summary, the exchange listing, and the price chart to confirm you have the correct security. Ensure the page shows NASDAQ and the TSLX ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.